Hi. In this lesson, we're going to basically define what is embodied DBT. This is a new concept, and it is an integrative concept. So let's first start by talking about what is DBT. So DBT stands for dialectical behavior therapy. It is a cognitive behavioral approach that really addresses heightened emotional sensitivity. And in traditional cognitive behavior therapy, we really think about how thoughts influence behaviors. But in DBT, we take it a little bit of a step further, that emotions also influence the intensity of our thoughts and thereby influence the intensity of our behaviors. So it's not just change your thoughts in order to change your behaviors, but let's be curious about changing our emotional state that will influence our thinking life that then influences our behaviors. So yes, DBT is far more emotion-focused than just cognitive-focused. And it is still in the house of cognitive behavior therapy.